This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
She's a leaker, huh? She's a leaker. It's a moen. I gotta change the cartridge. I'm gonna shut the water off and we'll take it apart and put a new cartridge in there. That's a new style. Yeah, it says moen on it right there. Posi temp. Fucking hot in this house. Holy shit. She's a leaker. Yeah, she's a leaker. Oh, we'll get this thing apart. Hopefully it comes apart. I'm gonna pull for it. There's a little thing you have to take out in there, the little fork. That's what holds it in place. See if I can get it out of there. Come on easy. Posi temp. Oh, it comes with a little lube there. It'll say hot and cold. You want that to go up there, see it? Like so. Now you gotta get that fork back in there. This is the tough part, getting this thing back in there without losing it in the flipping wall. Want to lose this? You want to lose this little clip? See how it goes in there? And this will hold it in place. This will hold the clip in place from falling out. Yeah. Give it the old Gundy, Mama. Give it the old Gundy. And not easy being cheesy, Mama. Not easy being cheesy. I gotta get that rubber, that plastic plate in the right spot and all that. That should be good now. Should be. Moen. I mean, that's what it is. What do they say? Moen for looks, moen for life. We'll try it out and see how. Turn the water back on. See what happens. It's gonna stop. Just the shower head's loaded with water. Once that drains out, it'll stop dripping.
It goes into the ground. It's not like it's gray.
That's my buddy, little Miss Molly. How's it going? Oh, you got the tail wag, huh? How's it going? You waiting for me? Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah, you love Daddy. You love Daddy. Oh, I know you do.